Hi friends, Kim from Stamping Imperfection. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I would love to have you click subscribe and click that bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. So today I got a package from Maker Forte and it had a stamp set called Holiday Magic. It had these two big bow images and a whole bunch of sentiments like magical moments, magical memories, magic time, hope you have a magical holiday season. And I like it, but what I really love about this set is all the little stamps in there. There's lots of little star stamps in there, like sparkle stamps. And there's one sentiment that says, "Be merry." And that's what I focused on as soon as I saw this stamp set. I love those smaller stamps in the set. I feel like it's got so much potential. So I dug out a package of 3x3 envelopes from my stash. I cut down some red cardstock, and those pieces are cut 2.5 by 5. Then I cut down some white. Those are 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. And I'm going to make some Christmas gift tags. And I love making these little gift cards, actually. So I took all these 2.5 by 5-inch pieces and I scored them at 2.5. These are going to be my little card bases. And when I fold those and give them a nice crease with my bone folder there, those will be 2.5 inches square. My little white panels that will make up my card front are 2.25 inch square. So I love this little size. Now I could have made the red ones 3 by 6, scored them at 3 so that they were 3 inches square, and then my white pieces could have been larger, but my hands are a little sore, so I decided to make them a little small for the envelopes, and these work out perfectly for me. So I love this size for gift cards. Like I can actually create little gift cards. I can write a little message inside. It's more than just to and from, and I like it. So I'm just setting up my "Be Merry" is the sentiment, and I pulled off 2 of the little sparkle stamps in there. There's actually, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 little sparkle ones that you can use here. And I'm going to do these 6 at a time. I'm going to make 12 altogether. And I'm stamping "Be Merry" in red. And this is Maker Forte's Color Hive telephone box red. I love this color. So I am just stamping that sort of in the middle, sort of toward the bottom center, and I'm just stamping it. I don't ever try for perfection when I'm creating because it's too much pressure. I don't need that. I'm pulling out my favorite yellow in the Color Hive line. That is the English mustard. And you can see I also have the green Everglade color there. And I'm stamping the larger of the two star or sparkle stamps in the upper right hand corner and fitting it in above the "Be Merry." And I really like this. I think these little stamp sets are so much fun. It's all I could see when I looked at this stamp set. The big bows are nice. They'll be fun to color in. I'm stamping the smaller of the 2 stamps that I picked out, one to the left and one below, and I'm forming a little triangle with these 3 little stamps. So like when I'm designing something, I think about that design triangle. And I think this is super simple. These are quick and easy. And now I've got one of my little blender foams here, and I'm just inking the edges in that green. And you can hardly see it from the top, but when I put the cards together, I feel like it really helps to make them pop. So I'm going to finish those up, and I like to do this kind of thing in batches. So you saw I did all my cutting that I would need for these, and now I'm doing all my stamping and inking. This little inking of the edges is just a really nice touch to make your card front pop, and it adds just one more Christmassy color to the whole thing. So I'm going to go do the other 6. And the next step, of course, is going to be to fold my card over. I'm using a little liquid glue. This is the Maker's Magic no-show liquid glue. I like this glue a lot. I love the tip on that container. I love that I hardly have to squeeze it to get the glue out. And at the same time, I'm pulling out my little envelopes, and I'm just going to stamp those a couple of times on the front, one in the upper right, one in the lower left, so I have that nice design, diagonal design there. I like that. It just works for me. I feel like it's appealing to my eye. So I sometimes just automatically do it without thinking too much about it. So I'm just putting everything together, and I will stamp 6 more of these because I cut 12 all together. I'm making the envelopes at the same time, and I'm going to put links to everything from the Maker Forte shop below, along with a link to Amazon for those little envelopes. If you don't have that size in your stash, it's a really nice size to have on hand. If you need a quick little gift tag for a birthday gift or a hostess gift or something, you can really make these up quickly. You can see how quickly I'm doing a whole batch of 12 of these. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Have a fun time making your holiday goodies.